Today for lunch I cooked chicken pad thai. This recipe is super simple and delicious, packed full of protein, and quick to make. To start off, you're going to use chicken breast diced up and marinate it in salt, pepper, garlic powder, and soy sauce for at least half an hour. In a separate bowl, we're going to get tamarind paste, fish sauce, oyster sauce, brown sugar, and peanut butter. Mix well, and that's our sauce for the pad thai. In a hot skillet or wok, saute minced garlic and shallots. To the same pan, we're going to add our chicken and continue sauteing it on medium to high heat until it's fully cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, set it aside in the pan and add 2 eggs. Scramble the eggs and mix it well with the chicken. Now we're going to add our rice noodles. I use thicker rice noodles, you can use whatever size you'd like. And to that, we're going to add the sauce that we made and mix it really well. You can adjust the taste according to your liking by adding more or less of the sauces we used earlier. Once everything's been mixed well, we're going to add green onions and bean sprouts. You can add other vegetables like carrots or even bell peppers if you'd like. Top it off with chopped peanuts, more spring onions, and some lime. And that's pretty much it. This recipe took me less than 45 minutes and is super easy to make, and it serves about 2 to 3 people. I'd love for you guys to tell me how it goes and comment below if you guys have more suggestions on what I should make.